सजना सजना रे.
Aan Milo Sajna from Gadar Ek Prem Katha. So, lyrics by Anand Bakshi, I believe.
Yes.
So, tell me some memories if you have associated with the
One
song.
of my most close friend was Shri Uttam Singh ji, famous music director. And his daughter Preeti used to learn from me. She is in Atlanta now. I'm going to Atlanta for the concert organized with this Parashare Entertainment, and Preeti will be there. And we were just talking, and suddenly Uttamji told that I want to compose one Thomri film. You just tell me how should be the melody, because that kind of melody, the key of the basic phrase of a raga, they are almost not innumerous. 5-6 basic combination notes makes a raga. One of them is used in so many songs like कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, या ये क्या हुआ कैसे हुआ, या आन मिलो सजना, या आयो कहाँ से घनश्याम sang by Manna Dey. Then I suggested one note, and Uttamji told, yes, this is the key of the first key of the composition. So it was composed by Uttamji and it was composed by me as well.
Padma Bhushan National Award winner, Sangeet Natak Academy Award winner, our favorite classical exponent, Pandit Ajoy Chakrabarti is right here with us in the Bay Area. Welcome, sir, to Yo India TV with me, Jasleen Khanuja.
Thank you.
And it's really an honor to be interviewing someone of the Padma Bhushan stature. So,
Padma Bhushan is not the most important thing. The most important thing is the love and passion for music, because all the Padma Bhushans are not remembered throughout the life. So Padma Bhushan is of course something, but not the most important thing.
so it's one of the highest civilian awards in India. So it's a big thing.
Let's welcome Pandit Ajoy Chakrabarti.
I know you have citizenship in US as well because of your fabulous work, and you wear multiple hats. You are not just a classical vocalist, but also a lyricist, a music composer. So how does it feel to be in different hats?
It works together. When you sing, what you are going to express, the lyric gives you the picturization of the idea you are going to perform. And ragas are the most important thing because all the notes are connected. The musical notes cannot make a rag. The rag only comes when they are interconnected with each other, all the notes. So it's completely dependent on touch. How you are going to touch the other note. That touch makes the relationship. So I consider Indian music not a subject to listen to only. It's a subject to develop our inner vision. How I'm painting on air with the help of our small breathing air. So it is painting on air.
I'm always blown away with your songs, जो मुर्कियाँ हैं, जो classical music की depth है, and one of my favorite songs is Aan Milo Sajna from Gadar Ek Prem Katha. So, lyrics by Anand Bakshi, I believe.
Yes.
So, tell me some memories if you have associated with the
One
song.
of my most close friend was Shri Uttam Singh Ji, famous music director. And his daughter Preeti used to learn from me. She is in Atlanta now. I'm going to Atlanta for the concert organized with this Parashare Entertainment, and Preeti will be there. And we were just talking, and suddenly Uttamji told that I want to compose one Thomri film. You just tell me how should be the melody, because that kind of melody, the key of the basic phrase of a raga, they are almost not innumerous. 5-6 basic combination notes makes a raga. One of them is used in so many songs like कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, या ये क्या हुआ कैसे हुआ, या आन मिलो सजना, या Aayo Kahan Se Ghanshyam sung by Manna Dey. Then I suggested one note, and Uttamji told, yes, this is the key of the first key of the composition. So it was composed by Uttamji and it was composed by me as well.
आन मिलो सजना सजना रे आन मिलो सजना अखियों में ना आए निंदिया मोहे ना भाए काजल बिंदिया सुना पड़ा अंगना सुना पड़ा अंगना अंगना सुना पड़ा अंगना रे आन मिलो सजना सजना रे आन मिलो सजना सजना रे आन मिलो सजना.
So, you are so multi-talented, and I know you have also worked with Sir Ilaiyaraaja in Tamil Nadu. People consider him God, literally. And
He's one of my best friend.
he's your best friend.
Raja is one of my best friend, and not only that, I have I came in connection with Panchamda as well. He was very fond of my music, and he used to tell me that on earth, if I consider 2 or 3 musicians as the best, you are one of them. Panchamda was also very close to me.
I know you. I think you worked with him in Hey Ram, right?
Yes.
Any nice memory actually?
I came to know Ilaiyaraaja ji through Uttam Singh ji. He told me that one song you'll have to sing. Raja is coming from Madras, you'll have to sing. That time it was Madras, not Chennai. I went there and suddenly he told me that it's a Tamil song. He said, Uttodanga Dhamma, Biraha Nadahame. I told them I don't know any word of Tamil. You just read it and sing. Then I started singing. It took 2 hours to record the whole song. And Kamal Hassan ji also invited me in Chennai. Went there. And still today, sometimes he calls, Rajaji calls, or I also call. He's one of my best friends. He's a genius person.
And so are you.
मेरा गिरधर हाथ भिखारी मेरा गिरधर मेरा गिरधर मेरा गिरधर मेरा गिरधर मेरा गिरधर मेरा मेरा गिरधर हाथ भिखारी लोग कहे मेरा गिरधर हाथ बिखारी लोग कहे बिगड़ी हो नैनावान
we love you, and I know that each of your works is very delicately done. The music that flows in, it touches our hearts. Has it ever happened that while recording, even as someone who is as expert as you, because we consider you at the height, did you ever do a retake?
Retake. Yes, sometimes I have to. Because it is most important to learn improvisation, to develop imagination. Because imagination is much higher than knowledge. Knowledge is very important, but imagination only can give you new ideas, new thoughts to think better. I will try to present tonight that how imagination do the miracle. Because some composition, something is composed. The remaining part, everything is imagination. So I should try to sing one pentatonic rag called Bhopali, but I'll sing 5 ragas in it, which you never listen to, because it is possible.
It's a blend.
No blend, it's just shifting the key, shifting the sa. You listen to the rendering, you will understand.
You're giving me goosebumps, literally.
One particular rag, which has got 5 notes, is rag Bhopali. ये 5 नोट का या 4 नोट का कॉम्बिनेशन सारे गा मा गा रे सा सारे गा मा गा रे सा गा मा गा रे गा मा गा रे रे मा गा रे सा मा गा रे रे मा गा रे गा मा गा रे मा गा रे गा 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 रे सा सा गा सा रे गा मा रे गा मा गा रे सा रे गा मा सा गा रे मा रे सा गा मा गा सा रे मा रे गा सा मा गा रे सा मा गा रे गा मा रे मा गा रे गा मा रे मा सा. Never miss. Ma ga re ga ma re ma ga re ga ma re ma ga re sa ga sa re ga ma re ga ma re ga ma ma ga re ga ma re ma ga re ma ga re ga ma re ma ga re sa ma ga re ga ga ma re re ma sa sa ma ga re ga ma ga re sa ga sa re ga ma ga re sa re ga ma.
So, you being a Bengali, but you belong to the Patiala Gharana, I believe.
I started,
Yeah.
but I don't believe in Gharana now. Because Gharana is a uniqueness, but Gharana is confinement as well. So, I've learned from so many Gharanas, Delhi, Agra, Jaipur, Gwalior. And of course, my basic training was with Ustad Munawar Ali Khan and my guru, all-time great guru, Guru Gyan Prakash Ghosh. I learned from them. And thank you for coming and asking me so beautiful questions, and you are well aware of my life and my music.
So, last but not the least, any message to all the viewers of Yo India TV who are watching you worldwide, who are your fans, and who also draw inspiration from you?
Only one message, that Indian music is the highest form of music in the world because of the intermediate use of frequencies. So it's like painting. So how you are painting, you should learn that not by listening to it, but by imagination which is developed in your inner vision. Inner vision is the most important. Through raga music, you can be a good human being by good training.
Thank you so much, and you stay spiritually connected by listening to the deep songs and beautiful, marvelous and innovative presentations that Guruji, Panditji, our beloved Ajoy ji is going to be making today. Stay tuned in for a beautiful presentation on Yo India TV. Thank you so much, sir.